Hi friends, welcome to Telangana Properties Hub. Today we are going to see a HMDA project near Maheshwaram. So this is a very recently started project, very near to electronic manufacturing cluster Maheshwaram. So this is TSIIC. See here few electronics constructions also happening. Wipro is already established and employment is also going. From this location, just 2 kilometers is our site. This is HMDA with RERA approved site. So this is the approaching road. We are traveling to our location. We have captured most of the information here. So how we are traveling to reach the site. So this is a electronic says, it's very well established electronic says. You can see right side so many companies are established, so very neatly maintained electronic says. In couple of years time, this is going to be a good project. That HMDA project which I am talking will get the bank loan here, so that is an advantage. So rates are also very reasonable. 13,000 per square yard is the current rate. It's completely developed project, I can say. We got all the approvals like HMD approval and RERA approval also. So this is the location of that HMDA project site. So from here we can go. This is a 100 feet road. This road will be extended in future. So this is another shortcut road to reach the site. So from this village we will reach to our site. So this is a adjacent, I can say. It's a very well developing area, Maheshwaram, because Mucharla Pharma City is also very near to Maheshwaram. This is a site village I am talking about. The project is also adjacent to this village only, like within half kilometer distance the project is there. In near future constructions will also take place in this location. So we also got the LP number. This is a future 100-foot road approaching. So we also have some commercial properties in this site, and 13,000 per square yard is the price. Let's see the location highlights of this project. Very close to Wipro in Electronic City says, and also adjacent to village. Here you can see the village. So it's very near from our project, and close to GR Integrative Medical Sciences. This is called GIMS, and also Homeopathic Medical College and Hospital is also very near to our location. And Statue of Equality, GR Ashram, is also near to this location, and very close to Mucharla Pharmacy, as I told. And Aushadha Nagari is also called Mucharla Pharmacy. And 5 minutes to Timapur railway station, 10 minutes drive to Outer Ring Road. So connectivity wise, we can easily connect anywhere in Hyderabad city. And 10 minutes drive to Regional Ring Road. The proposed Regional Ring Road is also very near to this location. In near future we can utilize that also for connecting Hyderabad nearest regions, and 20 minutes drive to Rajiv Gandhi International Airport, and also 30 minutes drive to Gachibowli and Financial District, and also 30 minutes drive to Pharma City. So these are the location highlights of this project, and also the project highlights we'll discuss. This is a HMDA layout with RERA approved project. So easily we can get bank loans, and proposed 100 feet road as per HMDA master plan, 30 feet internal roads under CCTV camera surveillance, fully developed children's park, underground drainage, each plot with tap connection, and sump tank is also available. Electricity facility is also available. Modular LED street lights is also available, and bank loan facility is there, and avenue plantation, and it is residential zone 2 project. So children's play area is also, they are going to be very beautiful, and this is a perfect plot HMDA, I can say, in this Maheshwaram area, and this is a good deal because already all the approvals we received, and bank loan facility is also available. Clear title project, spot registration. So for more details, contact on the below number. Thanks for watching this video. Telangana Properties Hub. Please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.